Not everyone gets the chance to experience a lifestyle like the Hamptons, a place where time slows down, where endless stretches of golden sand meet the Atlantic Ocean. But here in Portugal, just minutes from Comporta, you'll find a hidden coastal paradise. Welcome to Sol Tróia, surrounded by pristine beaches, golf courses, waterfront restaurants, and nature. Imagine arriving on a Friday afternoon, the ocean breeze in the air, dinner on the terrace as the sun begins to set. This T1+1 apartment offers the perfect retreat from everyday life. Inside, bright and welcoming living spaces provide comfort and practicality, while the bedrooms offer a peaceful place to unwind after a day by the coast. It's a place to slow down, reconnect, and enjoy the very best of coastal living. Welcome to Sol Tróia. Your escape begins here.